Well, the crows certainly aren't going to like this, nor is that annoying blackbird. Interesting that. Well, starters hasn't gotten rid of that bloody bird. Secondly, majority of the sound's coming out here, while some's coming out here, but I think I may need to put a bit more of a spacing between the two here. That's only just that's literally flush against the edge of the stator. There's about 5mm gap from the tops of the ports, but I think I may need to extend that a bit. Yeah, that's only just sitting on at the moment. Might stick the silencer on, give it a try with that. It's looking a bit bare now, but let's just see how it goes. It's not the best materials in the world to be using for this sort of thing, but it certainly works. Makes noise, which is the main thing. Doubt whether it's got a very high kilometre sound radius or decibel rating at 100 feet for those over in America, as we measure our sirens in kilometre radius over here. So yeah, certainly works, so that's the main thing. But, I just wanted to see how it worked, that's all. I mean, a lot of people wondering as well how easy an Allertor type siren horn assembly would work, and well, there you go. But anyway, thanks for watching.